Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making chicken Bhuna Masala, that is chicken with roasted masala. Put a pan or wok over medium heat with 2 tablespoon cooking oil or ghee in it. Add 5 to 7 Laung, that is whole cloves, along with 8 to 10 Sabut kali mirch, that is whole peppercorns, and 1 teaspoon Sabut dhania, that is whole coriander seeds. Also add 1 teaspoon jeera, that is cumin seeds, into pan, and when seeds start crackling add 1 tablespoon or 3 teaspoon of adrak-lehsun paste, that is ginger garlic paste. Stir and saute for a couple of minutes or until paste is nicely roasted and fragrant. Now add 4 or 5 medium-sized peeled and chopped onions. Stir to mix, then sprinkle with 1/2 teaspoon salt. Adding little salt into onions while sauteing helps in roasting of onions. Stir and saute for 6 to 8 minutes or until onions are lightly browned. Now add 4 or 5 medium-sized chopped fresh tomatoes and 2 or 3 fresh green chilies, which are slit into halves lengthwise. Adding green chilies is optional, or you may use chopped chilies also. Stir to mix evenly, then cover the pan with its lid and cook covered at medium-low heat for 6 to 8 minutes or until tomatoes are tender and rawness is gone. Keep on stirring often during cooking. Mix while smashing tomato chunks with spatula or spoon. Season onion tomato mixture with 1/2 teaspoon or to taste Kashmiri or degi mirch powder, that is cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder, 3 teaspoon dhania powder, that is ground coriander seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon or to taste of coarsely ground fennel seeds. Reduce heat to low and stir well to roast for a couple of minutes or until grease is released from masala. Now add 1 kilogram boneless or in-bone chicken pieces into pan according to your choice. We are using 500 gram boneless chicken breasts, which are cut into bite-sized chunks along with 4 bone-in leg pieces. Increase heat to medium and stir to coat all chicken pieces evenly with masala mixture. Cover the pan and cook covered at medium heat for 10 minutes or until chicken is white and nowhere pink anymore. Cook and stir uncovered for 5 minutes or until almost all of liquid has evaporated. Now add 1 or 1/2 cup dahi, that is curd or plain yogurt, into pan. Stir well to mix curd with onion mixture. Cover the pan and reduce heat to medium-low again. Cook covered for 10 minutes at medium-low heat. Remove cover after 10 minutes. Chicken is almost cooked through by this time and is almost falling apart from bones. Increase heat to medium-high and season with 3/4 teaspoon or to taste salt. Keep in mind that we have already added 1/2 teaspoon salt while sauteing onions. Also add 1 teaspoon or to taste Garam masala. Stir to mix and cook uncovered on medium-high heat until almost all of liquid has evaporated. Add 3/4 teaspoon or to taste of sugar into pan. Adding sugar is absolutely optional, but adding little sugar complements the sourness of tomatoes and curd and tastes very good. Stir to mix until sugar dissolves completely. Now taste and adjust the seasonings. Add whatever is required according to your taste and stir to mix. Finally stir in 1 teaspoon crumbled Kashmiri methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves. Cover the pan and turn off the heat. Delicious spicy chicken Bhuna Masala is ready. Garnish with chopped fresh cilantro or green coriander and serve. Enjoy. Hope you liked the recipe. Make it and please share your views in comments column below for sure. Your feedback is really valuable for us. Thanks.